Okay, first off the unit, then put
This
check
is
the names, a time and
date.
date number also to call. Anyone coming will check the owner of the sticker. Then you come here, put top, off. Now both motor and fan closed. Duty and standby also close. Now our next work is to open the unit and start PPM.
Okay, good.
First of all, we'll open the door of the unit of the motor, check the condition or the status of the motor during our PPM. First, you can put on light.
Because no have light inside.
You have no light. Once you switch off from the main switch, you will not get light. Light is only coming when there is one. First, we check the condition of the belt. Damage, not damage. Then the sound. Then blower, blades, clean, bearings, okay. No
And also
problem.
check the motor is okay, then
Motor, sometimes we open and see the terminals. If they are okay, not loose. That is it. Then the drain pan also need to check sometimes, but this one is clean.
this one is have dirty something,
Yeah,
small one.
sometimes if the
This
coil
one
are
is-
dirty, then always come here. But now this one is clean. The coil is clean, have no problem. So our unit is very. Then after the motor section, we'll come to filter section. We have finished with motor, then we are coming to filters. Our filters, here we have the pre-filters, as you see them. Here we have the pre-filters. This is our pre-filter. Then this is the back filter. This is the back filter. If it is dirty, we go and blow them with the electric blower. But now this one is clean, still clean, doesn't have dirty. We did PPM last week. Now it is still clean. Then we have the pre-filter, the one we wash and dry, then we change. Second, we have this one here. We also clean them. If you find them dirty, these are called what? This is what? Loafers. Or if they are dirty, we clean them. So we need to clean them. Body also inside, we clean inside. Now we check the lights also. The lights. Yeah. These are dampers. Dampers. Clean the dampers. Inside, what we do here only, we clean filters, dampers, here, dampers. We clean the floor, then we clean the body inside also. Then we mark our PPM as done. Here, when you come here, you see that we have the damper. It's on the supply side. This is the supply side, which supplies our looms. Air is coming from the unit, going through this damper. This damper is open and closing. The work is to open and close. Its name is MDPR damper. This is open and closing. As you see here, when you open here, you can see them. It's now closed. They are closed. It's working automatic for closing and opening. So for now, the unit is off. If it is off, it will automatically close. This is the DPS. This one, how much air is going, how air is airflow. If it's dirty, all green. Sometimes if the air flowing is dirty, the DPS will automatically acknowledge or inform the system, and it will shut down. The unit will not run.
Okay, all right.
Automatically stop. This is the supply side. All right. This is. I've seen the other side. We have the supply side. Then here we have the returning side of the unit. Then here we have the airflow meter, which shows the flow that is coming back to the unit here. Then this is the side. Also here have the dampers, as we have seen the other side. Also here there is enough dampers, as I say, and because of the space, you see the MDPR damper is downside, not upside like the other one. So here it is down. The damper is there.
Damper is there.
Opening and closing of the flow pass. This is due water unit, and this is the supply side. This supply side have this meter with two important lines. One is PSI inside and bar outside.
Okay,
PSI
that's all right.
and bar outside. Then coming here, we have the gauge.
This is a thermometer.
The thermometer gauge. Then this is the inlet or the flow going in the unit. Then here we have the flow out. Now on the return, this is the return. We have the gauge upside, water pressure gauge. We have also two important sides, the PSI and the bar also inside. Coming, when you look like this, you come and meet the what we call the
PIC wall is working on automation system.
Yeah.
During
yes,
work.
it is working automation for chilled water.
Chilled water in during overwhelming temperature.
How
maintain the temperature 24 something.
Yeah,
So
this is
it
the
working
automation.
for automation.
Automation.
So this is the PIC wall.
So simply, then we come show them this one. This our filter side, where we see whether the filters are dirty or not dirty. Automatically it will be showing in the box. So in the box you have to check this one. Sometimes you can blow into them, or you can clean the filters, then they will automatically be showing cleanness in the box. So it's very important to check this one whenever we are doing PPM.
Yes, it must to be clean if this one is dirty. So if this one is dirty, so showing in back is dirty.
Showing in
so
back the unit is dirty.
Ah.
Of course, even if you don't stop the unit to check, you can easily check in the box and see whether the filters are dirty or clean by these devices. These two devices.
DPS.
The DPS. These are devices. We have them in both sides. This is for the pre-filters. Then this is for the bag filters. This device is for the bag filters, and this one is for the pre-filters. We have them also other side. We have different devices, but they all do the same work, and they are connected to the bags.
Okay,
Thank
good.
you so much.
Thank you so much. Let's start.
Okay. Now our activity is finished for cleaning the pre-filters. Now we are putting back our filters one by one, slowly by slowly, with care. Because if you put them wrong, then it will be another issue. Need to put them correctly. Right, I can show you this one. This side supposed to be inside, this side, then this side outside. Don't change it, this side to be outside. So better you put like this, not like this. This is wrong. The correct side is this one.
All right.
Yeah. So now everything is finished. Now our filters. These are lockers. For tightening. This is our lockers. Screw. You can call them screws or lockers. You can see now our unit is clean inside. If you look at the body inside, the floor is clean, body is clean, filters clean. Then come the dampers or louvers. Louvers are also clean. Now the air is going to be fresh.
Now my activity ppm is done
Now,
inside, so I will close the door
yeah.
of
Close the
AHU.
door.
Now finish the ppm of activity, so I will go for
Okay, now this is the main isolator. So we have to remove, lock out or tag out our main isolator for power supply to the main panel. Now this is on. Now our panel is on. Our CPO panel is on. Now this is the VFD for our HU, for our unit. This is duty. We on the duty motor. This is the standby for the standby. So we also main before motor, two motors. Then you have the main incomer, which is you have to on like this. Then our VFD starts running. Then you on automation. So our system is now in auto mode. Just need to acknowledge the bugs, then the duty will start running. PPM is done in the field, then we'll go back to the Okay, one more thing I did not mention is after doing PPM, we have to come here and check if our unit is running in normal mode or in good mode. So what we do, as we are still in the field, we put in local or manual mode, then we run the unit like this. Then we have to inspect the sound of the unit if it is running in normal. So as you can hear, it is running, yes. Then you off. For sometimes if you off here, it shows trip, this light trip. So we come here and we set this trip. Then here we do the same thing. We learn this was the duty motor, the sound of the duty motor. Now we are coming to the sound of the standby. Again, you come to the standby, put logo and run the unit. Inspect the sound of the unit. If the sound is good, then you come here and off. Then back to automation. Our VFD show the speed of the motor speed here. So this is the PPM today. We are done with PPM. Now we are waiting to go into the system box and acknowledge the unit to start running.
Okay, good. Now PPM is done as per schedule or as per
PPM is
shift.
done as per or as per instructions. All parts you have checked, all the systems you have checked. Now it's ready for operation or operate. It is it's a normal mode. It's a normal status.